the president of and executive members of Fiji basketball, participants, coaches, referees, managers, officials, and that represent the various FIBA Oceania members, also the sponsors and partners in the development of basketball in the region and in Fiji, distinguished guests, players, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to begin by thanking the organizing committee for the invitation to officially open the international tournament for under-19 basketball players in the Oceania region. I'm indeed honored to be here with you this morning. So I personally would like to thank FIBA for granting Fiji the rights to host this event. It means a lot not only to the basketball community, but also to all of us who are involved in sports and in national development. Basketball Fiji is one of the recent beneficiaries of government initiative and assistance through sports. I must say today that government gave Basketball Fiji assistance of almost slightly more than 0.5 million to successfully host this championship. That was through the Fiji National Sports Committee and the Fiji National Sports Commission and the Office of the Prime Minister of Fiji. And I thank their corporate sponsors, Fiji Water, for their commitment towards supporting the tournament. This assistance shows government commitment to developing sports and players alike.